A city is always moving, and this influences my photography. Hi, I'm Chris and I'm a Me creator. I love to capture unusual perspectives around London and the busy motion of the city. Long exposures excite me, where the movement of colour and spread of light can create some powerful photos, especially at night time. To try out my Mi 10T Pro, I went to one of my favourite spots at Tower Bridge and set up my tripod in order to keep the phone as still as possible. I set the camera to Pro mode and the RAW setting for top quality. The ISO was very low and I used a 1-second shutter. This is the photo I took on the Mi 10T Pro with the bus trails blazing through the image. A similar photo can be taken by using the neon trails function on the phone. A city in motion can create blazing trails.
Shoot like a pro.